Stop telling yourself you can't invest because you don't have the money. That's not why you're stuck. You're missing deals. You're wasting the best buying window we've had in years. Every night I see the same thing. People scrolling Rightmove, saving the listings, convincing themselves that they're researching. You're not researching. You're hesitating. You're procrastinating. You're scared. And that hesitation is costing you thousands. Here's what you need to know. It's not money that's holding you back. It's a blind spot that nobody, and I mean nobody, talks about. Fix it and you can start building passive income right now. Ignore it and you'll be stuck while other people are refinancing their second, third, fourth, fifth property. Most beginners don't fail because they don't have the money. They fail because of the way they think about money. First mistake, they believe you need to save up for years before you can start. So you've got 50, 60, 70 grand in the bank. So they sit on the sidelines watching the market move and they do absolutely nothing. And here's the irony. While they're waiting to save, prices and rents keep climbing, making it harder every single year. Second mistake, they convince themselves that they can't do deals because they're broke. But the truth is, you don't need money to start. All you need is the right knowledge. Because in reality, money follows good deals. If you can't raise finance, it's not because nobody has the money. There's more money in the world today than there ever has been in the entire history of the planet. So it's not because people don't have the money. The money is there. And it's because you don't know what a good deal is and you don't know how to present it. Third mistake, they see education as an expense instead of an investment. So they spend thousands on trial and error, or worse, doing absolutely nothing at all. And 5 years later, they're still in the same place. I see it all of the time. Broke, renting, telling themselves the timing isn't right, and they just need to research a bit more to find the right time. That's what really keeps people poor. Not the lack of money in their bank. It's the lack of education in their head. Once you learn how to analyse deals and raise finance, everything changes. Every one of those mistakes comes from the same blind spot. And if you don't fix it, you'll stay broke while other investors laugh their way to the bank. So, what's the blind spot? Most people think property is about money. Wrong. Property is about understanding the deal. If you can run the numbers properly, not scribble down guesses on the back of a napkin, then money finds you. What do I mean by that? I mean private investors, joint venture partners, even banks. They all line up if the deal is right and it stacks. But if you don't know how to stack a deal, if you don't know what a good deal really is, you can forget it. They just won't be interested. Then you'll be paralysed convincing yourself that you're still researching. Or worse, you'll jump into a bad deal and lose everything. That's the blind spot. People think they need 50 grand in the bank before they can start. Meanwhile, the investors making moves, they've mastered the rules and they know what a good deal is. They can look at a deal and know instantly whether to keep it, bin it or negotiate. It's the difference between scrolling Rightmove and actually finding deals and owning property. And most people miss them. And it's because they don't know how to analyse them. And the brutal truth is, if you're still just researching, you're already losing money. Every month you wait, you're burning cash. You're paying more in rent. You're watching inflation eat your savings. You're letting opportunities pass you by. And for what? Because deep down you want security. You want freedom. You want income. But you're letting the fear keep you trapped. Most beginners drown in free YouTube videos and Facebook groups because random tips aren't strategy and they will keep you stuck. And that's exactly why we built Property.School. So in Property.School, we've got hundreds of hours of courses, masterclasses and resources that take you step by step from newbie to confident investor. Masterclasses on the big stuff, how to raise money, how to buy at auction, AI hacks for property investors, and even how to buy a property company. Plus, training on all the different strategies, BRR, SA, deal packaging, no money down, commercial conversions. It's all there. And a real community where you can ask real questions with our Facebook and WhatsApp groups. Somewhere where you can share deals, get feedback, and pick the brains of people who are actually doing this. So here's where you decide. You can keep doing what most people do, scrolling, waiting, convincing yourself you'll start one day and stay exactly where you are right now. Or for less than 50p a day, you can join Property.School. And I'm going to invite you right now to come check us out. Go to and type this into any browser, property.school/go. I'll say that again, that's property.school/go. Come check us out. It's cancel anytime. We're not locking you into any ongoing contracts. So you can come in, check us out. If it's not for you, you can cancel immediately. No questions asked. Cancelling's really easy. You can come join today, and imagine this, 6 months from now, instead of wasting time just researching and pretending you're actually moving forward, you're walking through your first project. You're planning the refurb, you're setting up the refinance. That's not theory, that's what members are doing right now. Let me be brutally honest, most people watching this video, it's not going to change a thing. They'll nod along, they'll agree with every word, and they'll still be back to wasting time. But a few of you, the ones who actually want to make that change, the ones who are sick of excuses, the ones who are really serious, you'll click that link and you'll actually do something about it. So, which one are you? Still stuck? Or finally building the future that you've been talking about and thinking about for years? Go check us out at property.school/go and I'll see you inside.